Um, Hi guys. So we just got our results today. Like morning में 4:30 को मेल आ गया था and I have no words right now. I was so confident and I must say I was very confident on my preparation because I gave my heart and soul to it. These 2 months जो मैंने prepare किया था, it was like a nightmare and I would never ever suggest anyone to give 2 papers at once. So for context, I gave 2 papers of ACCA in June 2025. One was PM and one was tax. PM का मेरा ये 4th attempt था. I have been failing PM since a year now. I don't know the reason. I don't know what it is. Is it concept lacking? Is it practice lacking? Because when I'm giving my mocks, when I'm giving my exam kit के question solve कर रही हूँ, it's okay. तभी सब कुछ अच्छा जा रहा है. The concepts are clear. Everything is getting into my mind. Everything is going really well as it is supposed to be. I don't know एग्ज़ाम के टाइम पे क्या हो रहा है, बट दिस टाइम आई वॉज़ वेरी काम एंड आई वॉज़ वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट कि हो जाएगा बिकॉज पेपर उतना अच्छा था मेरा, राइट. एंड पेपर उतना अच्छा गया बिकॉज मेरा प्रिपरेशन ऐसा था. सो आई स्टार्टेड प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर PM एंड टैक्स सिंस अप्रैल का फर्स्ट वीक. उसके पहले मार्च या अप्रैल का फर्स्ट हाफ में आई वॉज प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर अदर एंट्रेंस एग्ज़ाम्स. तो उसमें बिज़ी थी मैं एंड आई रियली वांटेड टू गिव 2 papers दिस टाइम इन जून बिकॉज आई वाज लाइक कि फिर सितंबर अटेम्प्ट एंड दिसंबर अटेम्प्ट में मिले ना मिले. सितंबर में तो एक देना ही है बट दिसंबर में मिले ना मिले बिकॉज आई एम प्लानिंग टू गिव एंट्रेंस एग्ज़ाम ऑफ MBA, दैट इज़ CAT NCET स्नैप वगैरह वगैरह. सो आई वॉज रियली फोकस्ड ऑन बोथ ऑफ द aspect, right. मैंने सोचा कि ओके लेट्स जस्ट गिव PM and tax this time and I used to study like 8 to 10 hours, right. I mean, I don't know what went wrong. I don't know what it is कि मेरा strategy में कुछ गलत है या पता नहीं. आई टॉक टू सम पीपल, दे आर लाइक कि तू बहुत ज़्यादा पढ़ रही है. सम ऑफ देम आर लाइक यू आर नॉट गिविंग इनफ एंड आई एम लाइक क्या करूँ भाई मैं. सो इफ़ आई टेल यू माई शेड्यूल, आई मीन पता नहीं, आई जस्ट फील क्या करूँ मैं अभी. एंड when I saw my results, I cried for like 3 hours, not 3 hours, I mean 2 hours straight. I told my mom, मेरे पापा को अभी तक बताया नहीं है, but obviously I have to say I would need some time because उन्होंने भी देखा मेरी मेहनत. My mom literally was on the edge. She was like, it's okay Priyanka, it's okay, because वो भी देख रहे हैं मेरी मेहनत. ठीक है, आई हैव बिन जगलिंग दिस 2 subjects प्लस दिस ACCA. आई हैव बिन डूइंग एवरीथिंग दैट आई कुड. मैं फ़ोन नहीं यूज़ कर रही, मैं सोशल मीडिया पे नहीं हूँ. आई एम नॉट डूइंग एनीथिंग आउट ऑफ स्टडिंग, राइट. पता है मुझे लोग बोलेंगे कि दिस इज़ टू मच प्रियंका, यू शुड नॉट डू दिस एंड दैट, बट आई फील दैट इज़ हाउ आई वर्क, राइट. मुझे डिस्ट्रैक्शन चाहिए ही नहीं, इसलिए मैंने सब कुछ निकाल दिया था. बट पता नहीं क्या हुआ क्या नहीं. सो इफ आई डोंट नो इफ आई टोल्ड यू द मार्क्स, बट आई गॉट 49 in PM and 48 in tax. I'll attach the screenshot if possible. And yeah, if you know the marking scheme, we only need 50 to get pass. And getting behind because of 1 and 2 marks is really disappointing. बिकॉज चल मैं आई वॉज ओके अगर मैं एक भी पेपर में पास हो जाती, बट दोनों पेपर में पास नहीं होना इज़ रियली डिसअपॉइंटिंग. And I know there would be people like me who must be going through the same situation right now, but I would suggest that you should talk to your parents or maybe your friends, because I was really crying. Like I was howling. ठीक है, मतलब crying is a very such छोटा word. I was howling. I was like, ऐसे कैसे? Because I was so confident भाई, मतलब I knew कि एक पेपर तो होना ही है. But ठीक है, the thing which is done is done. I cannot crib about it right now. I'm okay right now because I did talk to few of my friends, few of my seniors. My mom, she is really, I mean, पता नहीं कैसे झेलते हैं, but parents, I am really grateful to them. And I know I am just scared to say to my dad, because I don't know, I'm not ready to look at the वो डिसअपॉइंटमेंट उनके फेस पे मुझे देखना नहीं है. भले दे वोंट से एनीथिंग, बट इट्स एविडेंट भाई, मतलब उनको भी दिख रहा है कि कितना मेहनत चल रहा है, कितना नहीं. एंड देन not getting results because I've been trying for a year right now, and looking only that fail mark is really, I mean, there's no words. I'm so sorry. But ठीक है, I have no plan today कि मुझे क्या करना है, क्या नहीं करना है. I don't know what I'm going to do. I don't know. पता नहीं है, बस I know that कि मुझे सितंबर में फिर से देना है. Because I may not have a plan today, but giving up is not surely one of them. And I know कि I would cry for a day or two, but I have to get up and get going. So anyone who is, feeling like similar or are in a similar situation, please don't give up. I know it's easier to say rather than it's done, but we have to do it, right? And there's no other way out. मेरे पास ऐसे रफली प्लान है that what I want to do next, because I really want to give MBA entrance exam, that is CAT, SNAP, NMAT, etc. I'm really focused towards CET though, but because of JBIMS, I mean, I don't know, that is my dream college. But yeah, for the near future, for September, I will give, but I don't know which paper that I'm planning to give. Is it PM or is it tax, or I don't know. Many people are like, give tax this time, because PM तूने already 4 बार दे चुकी, मतलब this time will be the 4th time. So they think that I should give tax, but I don't know. I just have this kind of gut feeling that I should go for PM. But I will take this day off. I will not study anything. Maybe not, I don't know, because CAT का भी है. I have to prepare for CAT as well. I cannot lose one day, even a day. So I don't know, maybe I'll take a break of half day and think over it. Maybe talk to a few friends, and I will suggest to do the same, because I know it's not easy, but भाई करना है अपने को. I mean, और कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है. So I would suggest that you please talk to your parents, please talk to someone who genuinely cares for you, who is genuinely there for you, right? The sole purpose of making this video was to get all out of my system, because there are a few things that I could not say to my parents, I could not say to my friends, but maybe saying it on camera felt really right. ठीक है, हो जाएगा. बस इतना ही. आज I just wanted to tell you that, and I want to stay very very frequent on this channel, because I know when I uploaded 1 or 2 videos पहले तो वो थोड़ा सा अच्छा था. Many people commented on that कि you should make more videos on it, and this would be like a whole study wala hi group, like you know, where I don't know, again पता नहीं है मुझे. My brain is not working today, but surely I would let you know. But I would say again that please do not give up, please do not belittle yourself like कि मुझे कुछ नहीं आता है या I'm dumb. नहीं, you are not dumb, neither am I, neither any of you. It's just phase है, you know. Failure is a part of success. Very cliche, I know, but it is. And second thing I would say that compare मत करो. मतलब comparing yourself with others would destroy your mental health totally, because I know how it feels. I compare myself constantly 24/7. I've been reading few books right now, so that could help me. I would suggest you to do the same, and I would get back to you in a week or so. I would let you know what my plan is for future attempts, but surely I want to give, and I will give September 2025. I don't know if it's either 1 paper or if it's either 2 paper, but surely I would give, because then November में I have to give CAT. तो पढ़ना तो है ही, पढ़ लेंगे. गैप ईयर तो है ही. गैप ईयर क्यों लिया है? गैप ईयर लिया है because I want to study, I want to make something out of it. I have to make something out of it. So yeah, again, please do not give up. Please trust the process. I know it's not easy, but हो जाएगा, कर लेंगे अपन. Okay, let's meet you. Bye bye.